Get up my shirt on. You're not sneaking up to the ear, right? Now listen, bro, can't get in the front of the ear. To the ear. Listen, so. Now run them, because I'm like, it's you know. It's me for them to boy.
I catch them for your black, so yourself.
I'm not sneaking them boy, you know. Uno. It's uno. Uno, nasty nigga, uno. Hold on, nasty nigga. Catch and give me the uno. Uno, take
We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness was said. The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a fi all of me dogs in the streets. And the road is a crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main feel the pain and it's tough time. All who they a won't post on the tear and the other face tough time.
That's all they know.
Just hold up your head and a nothing for your giant, them your rough time.
Simple thing to a giant.
Life is a delicate subject and a predicate. Badness does elevate, fuck a lot of delegate. Mama send about the fret, youths now waste your intellect. Mistake which I correct, live life without regret. The ladder of success will feature. Fly prison don't give me the visa. With jailhouse man a star and clean. And the dirty might have but we clean.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now, you hear what my youth say, Dazzling. Him say the whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and ISIS. Jamaica, bring back the niceness. Now, that's what the youth just say. And you see the whole video, it reflects what's going on in Jamaica. You see Andrew, holiness, what him do, them kill the small man them and send police to kill out the youth them in the ghetto. And what them do, them advance the big people them. It is reflecting what the police is doing to this young man. Now the young man having little thing going on and the police them just come and take down the man clothes and the man hat. Yo, this is how them do things in Jamaica. Now, if the youth here, he's hustling, selling his clothes. They come, they take his stuff. And now the youth don't have a way to feed his family. Him start rob and thief. The police them see him one, I will come to kill him. That is the biggest problem in a bumbuckler Jamaica. You see, the liquor man them, we have the small business, the way of the country set up, Pussy Wall Andrew and the rest of them stifle the poor man, you understand? And what them do, them entertain the millionaire them. Yo, when me see video like this is one thing why me off a vlog. Now, the police them come, attack the man thing, take down the man thing. There is no proper way of you address this. How do you address this situation right here in Jamaica? Because if I'm a small businessman and the police them come and take down my things like that, I kill my one blood clot, kill them off, I don't give a fuck. You understand? Would I probably all lay with a police boy dog or pay to get rid of them? Because you see, if I cannot feed my family because of the police or the government, it is a serious problem. Now, this video here now, it shows you what Jamaica is all about. And these police wanna make the government take on up and using against our citizens. Now, if I was in the police force, I wouldn't do any kind of job like that. You understand? I want the man them, we are kill off the innocent people and a rape. Those are the kind of people I want. I am not going to go to a small businessman and rip down all him clothes. You know, me have some brethren, the man them drive cab and taxi. And the man them always a complain, oh, them get too much ticket, and that's all the police them out there doing. You understand? Instead of them go find the criminal them in the party now, the government, we are do all sort of effort to the people. What they choose to do is tear down the small man, and that's a damn shame. Now, look on the other day, there was over 300 pipe bomb that was found in Jamaica. Do you hear them talking about that? Huh? No, they're not talking about it. You know why? No, I'm gonna tell you guys something. And I want you guys to listen to me. And listen very, very carefully. You see, at this present time in Jamaica has turned into a military dictatorship. And people don't even understand that, you know, and people don't even realize what's taking place in front of them. And because of that military dictatorship, that's why things like these happen. I'm gonna talk about it for a little bit and touch on it, but if you guys understand that the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Honorable Andrew Holness, he is the head of the defense, he's defense minister. Okay, so Andrew leads the army. Okay, now the police chief or commissioner is an army general, ex-army general. Okay, so you see how Andrew surround himself. You understand? Then the director of public prosecution, she reports directly to the Prime Minister, because him are the only person who had the authority to extend or fire or take her to, you would call it an impeachment. You understand? So, if people don't understand this, Jamaica is pretty much a military dictatorship country. We say it's democracy, but when you look at everything that's going on in Jamaica, you can see that it's military running the thing. The police, they travel with the soldier, and this has been going on for a long time. But the biggest change, why I say now it's militarized, and I spoke to an ex-intelligence officer. He's a Jamaican man, my brethren. Big up yourself. You know who me I talk. You're out of Florida. You see what I'm saying? And he explained all of this because I was asking the same question. None of the Prime Minister them in Jamaica before Andrew ever surrounded themselves with these kind of people. Now, there's another interesting person who's also around Andrew, and it is Dr. Chang. And what people fail to understand about Dr. Chang, Dr. Chang is actually the one who is running the Jamaican government. Dr. Chang, he led the revolt against Edward Seaga in the JLP party. Do people understand that? Let me say it again. Dr. Chang, he was one of the MPs, Member of Parliament, who took down Edward Seaga. And those are the guys who's running Jamaica. So right now, like I said, Jamaica is militarized. With that said, I am gonna close this video. But before I close the video, I'm asking the government, even though it's a military government, I'm asking the government to try and loosen up the way how people get business license and how people apply these things. Make it easier for people can transition in the system. I mean, all of you politicians and big time people have lived in America, probably have houses in America, Canada, other places, and you see how easy it is to do business in these places. So why don't you just fix the thing? So I know you are military government, Andrew, but listen, give the people them ease of access. Do something, my youth. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video and let me know what you think about it.